shit. Whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it, it's just some shit for these kids that trash their rules with. Just refuse whenever they ask to do shit. The type of shit that you don't have to ask who produced it, you just know. That's the new shit. The type of shit that causes mass confusion, the drastic movement of people acting stupid.
I come to every club with intention to do harm, with a prosthetic arm and smelling like Boone's Farm. Hiding under tables as soon as I hear alarms. Paranoid deep to the still from his own mom. Conniving con, artist with a bomb. Strapped to my stomach screaming. A lust that love to drink. Drunk driving a tank, rolling over a bank. Cops see me in bank, it's drastic. I'm past my limit of coke. I think I up my high by slitting your throat. Put your baby carriage into the street till it's mincemeat. You miss been beat the minute I step on your street. This is fight music.
You know why my hands are so numb? No. My grandmother sucked my dick and I didn't come. Smacked this whore for talking crap. So what if she's handicapped? The bitch said Bizarre couldn't rap. I'll fucking hate you. I'll take your drawers down and rape you. While Dr. Dre videotaped you. Satan got me on this song. Eating a hot dog, reading the Holy Quran while I'm on the John. Tired of wearing the yellow thong. Take it back, Cisco. You know where it belongs. Here's a gun. I'll put it in your palm. I go over there and blow off Julia's arms. Fuck the love songs.
This kind of music, use it and you get had to do shit. Whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it, it's just some shit for these kids that trash their roots with. Just refuse whenever they ask to do shit. The type of shit that you don't have to ask who produced it, you just know. That's the new shit. The type of shit that causes mass confusion, the drastic movement of people acting stupid.
Who you gon' bring on? Who you gon' swing on? I'm King Kong. Guns blow you the kingdom. Come, show you machine gun funk. 16, you 16's one pump. Snub in my paws, shove it in your jaws. How you running out this fucking club in your drawers? We loving the brawls, there's nothing to applaud. But fuck it, it's all good. The hood is up in the soil. It's fight music.
I'm a nigga that loves scuffles and won't hesitate to sock you again with swollen knuckles. I'm like that. Catch a nigga like bad traps, blow his head back right in front of the precinct. I slap you free, both you won't speak. If you step on my feet, you get drunk in your own drink. I suffocated my shrink just for talking. Came back and fucked up his pallbearers and made him drop his caution. It's fight music.
These bees, I'm swinging and stinging them. See all these niggas when I step in the club, I'm bringing them. And any nigga looking too hard, we Rodney Kinging them. Malice greening them and gasoline in them with premium. Light a cigarette, flick it at him and spit it at him. Hold up a picture of his family and kick it at him. Blast while you right hooking, right when your wife's looking. Fuck fight music, bitch, this is losing your life music.
If I can capture the rage of today's youth and bottle it, crush the glass with my bare hands and swallow it, and spit it back in the faces of you racists and hypocrites who think the same shit but don't say shit. You Liberace's, Versace's, and you Nazis. Watch me cause you thinking you got me in this hot seat. You motherfuckers wanna judge me cause you're not me. You'll never stop me, I'm top speed and you pop me. I came to save these new generations of babies from parents who failed to raise them cause they're lazy. To grow and praise me and making them go crazy. That's how I got this whole nation to embrace me. And you fugazi if you think I'ma admit wrong. I cripple any hypocritic critic I'm sick on. And this song is for any kid who gets picked on. I sing songs to retaliate to a nigga. This kind of music, use it and you get had to do shit. Whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it, it's just some shit for these kids that trash their roots with. Just refuse whenever they ask to do shit. The type of shit that you don't have to ask who produced it, you just know. That's the new shit. The type of shit that causes mass confusion, the drastic movement of people acting stupid. It's fight music.
Rubber burning, turning cones, beating like a Congo. Rubber burning, turning cones, beating like a Congo. Drop top, flip flop, shine as the chrome glow. Blowing drone 24, living how the song go.
Okay.
Rubber burning, turning cones, beating like a Congo. Rubber burning, turning cones, beating like a Congo. Drop top, flip flop, shine as the chrome glow. Blowing drone 24, living how the song go. Rubber burning,
yeah, we keep that.
rubber burning.
Yeah, we staying
Drop top, flip flop, shine as the chrome glow. Blowing drone 24, living how the song go.
straight off the lot, I get mine, pick mine. Car clean, looking like it just been spit shine. 24 inches on his rims, big, about the size of a 2-year-old kid. You dig? Plus, you turning in the S550, look like I'm U-turning in the jet. Why did he do that when he just came through? Why did he come back? I'm just frontin', how you? Diva on my side.
while the tires burning, I be burning. I'm schooling these niggas, this what you call higher learning. So listen up, grab a chair, have a seat, crack a beer, smoke a blunt, watch me, the captain's here. Louis Vuitton sneaks on the pedal, do 100 for a mile like my feet went to sleep on the pedal. And no longer am I gonna pop tags off my clothes. Dudes need to know I spent big cash on my clothes. No cash on my hoes, I just pass on my hoes. To my niggas, let them